Hi guys, Shy Wings here. Welcome back to Minecraft video, and I will showing you guys today I build a new building, like a building I made something in other spaces, but I don't want to show you guys, but I'm gonna show you guys science things. I'm gonna test something, like we're gonna test some experiments. Let's see, like now I'm gonna show you some like experiments or something, like we build like that. Okay, we're here now. Welcome to my experiment area. We're gonna take a video how to experiment some things, like jumpy something for you guys. Please watch this and enjoy. So let's start the machine that pops like an explosion, not explosion, I mean it bubbles around. So let's test this area. We're gonna need we need soul sand and a water. And what kind of sand? What do you like? What anything color like that, example like that, or more. There's more colors, anything you want, maybe green, maybe blue, so there's more. So let's dig this area and let's put soul sand. Soul sand, and let's put water. Do you see this? It just popped out. If you use that, if you use magma rock, the magma rock pulls you. This pulls you, and this one goes up, and this one is pulls you down, and this up, and this down, and down, and up, and down, and up, and down, like that. Magma is so strong, it pulls you down. Let's put some sands. This one pull, that one rocks, and this one pulls. See? So again, it pulls you. And I really like the soul sand because it pushes you up, and this one pulls you down. And next experiment is explosion. Our favorite. It's so really fun. It's amazing, but it's kinda deadly though. We need obsidian, and we need water. I have already water, and we need TNT, and we need redstone torch. We're done. Oops, wrong press. Okay. Let's start again. Oh my gosh. Obsidian. So we're gonna put the obsidian right here. Put like that, and that one, and this one, and this one, and that one, and we're done. Well, let's put TNT and water. It's really a fun game. It's like you're gonna play, you're gonna explode. And let's go. And 3, 2, 1, explode! Oh, it didn't work. Oh, I forgot this. Oh my gosh. Just wait a sec, guys. Okay, I'm done. So let's explode and let's try. We're gonna explode. We're launching to the up and okay. And we're done. It's a fun game, but you can use not survival. It's kind of deadly when you're survival. You're gonna die there. It's like a rocket ship. We're going to a rocket ship. I'm gonna explode. Oops, I died. Next experiment. Let's head. Let's go here. Okay, guys, this is the nice experiment ever I made, but it's really hard. Okay, wanna go, guys? In 3, 2, 1. Ooh. It's really dizzy though. Oh my god, outside. It's broken. Okay, well, next experiment is we're gonna make this machine that kills it gives you gas, like a lot of gas. We need block of iron or anything you brought, just not wood or rock or something, and we need a glass for a protection, or maybe not the glass. We need water. We have water. We need fire. Oh, fire. Okay. First thing to do, we need a place. I think I found a place or something. Maybe here. Maybe we'll need slime block. Redstone. I mean redstone. Liver. And also we need something pushy. We need sticky piston and piston. Regular piston. First, we need 4. Like that. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 slime blocks we need to, and we need sticky piston. Oh, hi, Piggy. And there, and we're done. All we need is this one. See? Oops, it's so shaky. I must break this. I can't break. Aha! They break. Oh, it's not working. Maybe it's upside down. Oops. How about put there? We need to put there. We're making a rocket ship, so maybe it's here. We got wrong, guys. And we're done. And oh, so go down and so it's stuck. This is not working. Stop. You stay there. Okay. Aha! You got it, guys. We're going up. Oops. We're going up. We're going up. Oh, I fell. Where did it go? Aha. Okay. And we're going up. We're going up. Oops. That was awkward. Okay. Well, guys, that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Oops.
But I'm a sunflower, a little funny. If I were a rose, maybe you'd pick me.
Bye.
But I'm no